Here's our skewer
That's really good. That's really
with
ridiculous.
pita and the same sauce. Their service was fast. They were very fast with their stuff.
Yeah, they're ready. So if you're looking for a fast food, that's one fast food. You go there, right there. That's close to McDonald's. So like over here at McDonald's and yeah, McDonald's and
Nice smoky chicken.
Bayswater.
Very tender, juicy, very little seasoning, but not bland.
Very Greek.
Very Greek. Yogurt,
chicken.
a little bit of mint. I taste dill,
Very, very good.
dill, garlic, mint with yogurt.